jalapeno pesto. We have jalapenos, lime, avocado oil, Parmesan cheese, and the food maker. Cilantro, it's so big. There's so much. Now we have three piles of jalapeno. One line. Now we're gonna put the big pile in the food processor. I stir it in there. There's so much, Daddy. There's so much jalapeno. I think it's all gonna fit in there. Now we are going to cut up the jalapenos and put them in the food maker. Now I'm going to use a knife to I'm going to ask it out. Now we cut it up, we're going to put it in here, and now we're going to cut up this. We're going to squeeze it and put it right in here. Now we cut it up, now I'm going to put it in here and squeeze it in. I forgot to add the garlic. Now we add the avocado oil, and now we're going to take the lid off. Now we put the avocado oil and putting it around. Now let's put the lid on and press the button. Here we go. Now it's time to press the button. Now we're going to add half a cup Parmesan cheese. Here we go. Now after we put the cheese, we press the button again. If you want to. Do the legs. Can click the bell button and can subscribe to my channel and give a bell button, and see you next time. Bye. Daddy, there's a fly on the camera and it's absolutely in the way. Oopsie. Oops. I'm gonna make this is gonna be so yummy for you guys. Why is this not squeezing? Now we're done. Now we're gonna eat cereal.